Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine here is in Icons. Drag and drop icon reveal number 2. Ungroup. And connect to the media out. Take the icon and connect to the merge here. And the animation will be down here. As you can see, when I move on the timeline, animation is finished. Only thing you have to do here is click on this background and change the size to 90 pixels by 90 pixels. This will make icon a little bit smaller so it doesn't overlap. And just delete this one. If you want another one, just connect. Now you have Twitter if you want something else. And then you can download my social icon sets. Social icon set number 2. You can get Messenger, you get a Pinterest, YouTube, Hangouts, Skype, WeChat, Tinder. Or you can take the social icon set number 1. Then you get as you can see here, chat, Patreon, crown is for the something else, I don't know, Steam, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Blogger, Steam, and donate. I will show you now. For example, Twitch, Ctrl C to copy, delete Twitter, connect Twitch, go on media out, press number 2 on the keyboard for media out, and now you have follow me on Twitch. And all you have to do now, again, go on this background and change the size. If you make another one, something custom, make sure that this background is size of 90 by 90. And that's it. Please give it a like, share, and subscribe. If you have some questions or ideas, you can comment under the video, and see you in another video. Bye bye.